Hi there! In this video lesson I'd like to talk about how to analyze a volume using vertical chart. There are various methods for displaying volume. There are vertical charts, horizontal charts, and clusters. There are even hidden deals, which are displayed by some exchanges. Traders have always followed the volumes. Exchange tape is also a kind of analysis of deals in volumes. Respectively, it also can be used for possible finding of large buyers. But exchange tape is not so comfortable in visualization, as you have to remember big numbers. Therefore, when developing Volfix, there was a goal to make the most user-friendly interface for visualization of volumes, to show accumulation in various sections as in different time periods, to create universal volume searching tool. All this data provide an opportunity to analyze the market more deeply. Developers wanted to identify more efficient trends and patterns. Next, we will show the main volume display and briefly describe how best to analyze them. Vertical charts are most common in use, but in my opinion they are not very informative. This data indicate the number of transactions that took place during the selected period. For example, within 1 hour, under this contract 268,393 deals took place. This can give us an understanding of what time of day the most active trades occur. Whether the growth or drop in prices is confirmed by significant volume or not. Vertical volume may also show the reaction of the market to a certain level. And like other modules of Volfix, we can see not only the total volume, but also who acted more aggressively, buyers or sellers. Let's analyze the vertical chart of contract mini CNP, the ticker ES. For this, we select the module cluster chart. Point out ticker ES, choose today's date. Choose price scale of 25 cents and time frame of 1 hour. What do we see? We see a vertical bar graph showing the number of volumes. From 8 till 9 o'clock, volume was 196,090 contracts. From 9 till 10 o'clock, the number of contracts was 268,393, and so on. We can see the proportion of aggressive sales and purchases. To do this, select the type of display, delta. You know that the number of bought contracts is the same as the number of sold ones, but the delta displays the way of buying or selling. We see that from 8 till 9 o'clock, delta equals minus 9,296 contracts. This figure indicates that the sellers have sold more than 9,296 contracts at market prices than buyers did. Aggressive seller doesn't want to wait, exposing a limit order, because his behavior is more aggressive. By their actions, bears are trying to knock the price down. If we look at previous periods, we can find examples of when they succeeded. Let's look at the prior period of aggressive purchases and sales. Select the date on the 22 October. As we can see, aggressive buyers drove the price up high. And the negative delta from 12 till 1 p.m. serves only as a corrective movement rather than the counterattack of bears. Continuing the attack, the bulls drove the price higher and higher. On October 23, we see some consolidation where the bulls and the bears attacked at the same time. Despite the fact that the bulls attacked not so much, the price still goes up, because the previous attack was very strong. That last certain local burst of bears attack lowered the price down. If you select tool Daycom Delta, we will see that from October 22, aggressive purchases were 86,760 contracts more than sales. This is aggressive attack of the buyers. The next day, on October 23, both calmed down. The total accumulation of contracts amounted 30,124 in favor of the bulls. The next day, October 26, there was attack of the bears. The total accumulation of delta was minus 18,466. Knowledge of the aggressive behavior of buyers and sellers will give you an overall picture of the market position. We can learn about market mood in the local time intervals, for example at 5 minutes, and more globally on the daily and weekly levels. In addition to delta, we can also analyze the data using the following tools. Delta in persons, the ratio of aggressive buyers and sellers cutaway, delta in relation to the total volume, delta in persons relative to the total volume, general aggressive proposal, it is the total number of sales at market prices. Aggressive overall demand, the total amount of purchases at market prices. Cumulative delta for the selected period. That is, if we change the period, we will change the total cumulative delta. Cumulative delta for one day. It's counted from October 26. Every day is considered from the beginning till the end of the day. The number of deals. Well, as the ratio of the delta and the number of transactions. From this lesson we understand what kind of data vertical graph in cluster chart gives us, namely, the total volume for the selected period, how aggressive are buyers or sellers, who's winning in the market as a whole, aggressive buyers or sellers. In further lessons we will look at other ways to display the volume. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel volfixtrader.com and you will learn many interesting things about the volume analysis as well as how to properly use the program Volfix. Cheers!